Hey besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kamada. If you're a returning subscribee, I'm so happy that each and every time I upload a video, you always check in the video. And kama it's the first time in this channel, feel welcomed. Karibu sana, where your ideas are also so much welcomed. And I'm so happy because today I'm turning an 1 year old, and this is how we are going to celebrate it with my family. I just want everyone ajiseme majina na that's it. Before tukate, niseme majina ndo akujue, alafu tukate tukule, and then you make 3 wishes for me.
Mimi naitwa Muha. Mimi ni close friend wa Emma.
Wow.
Support her channel.
Thank you.
Mimi naitwa Yvonne. I'm her sister. And wish ni sayama.
I wish ni baadaye.
Oh, yeah.
Mimi naitwa Simon Jiro. Best friends.
Wow.
Mimi Esther Juona. School's mom.
Wow. And so we're going to start by kwanza ku unwrap this. Nataka tuta unwrap na. Yeah. Do the honors of unwrapping the name for us.
I'm going to do this the African way.
Maxi tuimbiange wimbo.
Sing for the cake.
Yeah, man, now it's too for the cake.
Kata.
Kata cake. Kata. Hii ni unbox. Hii ni unbox. Can you start guessing before watutoe waanze to guess wanafikiria inakaa kwa ni color gani?
Yeah.
Stop. Comment hapa hivyo chini. So anyway, let's open. Wow. I'm tutoe. Aki naomba this kwenye. Bebe, I have a question. Why do you think niliamua ikuwe ni black and golden? Kila mtu a guess. Before I bado hata even you besties, I want you to guess.
Because you are mourning your dad's death.
Wow, okay. And the golden? It's okay. Say more.
It's you love this color.
Okay, that's a good trial.
It black, it's because we are mourning dad. And for the golden color, it's because, we still believe there's something beautiful at the end of it that's going to come up eventually, maybe sooner or later. And as people normally say, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Even those right now we still have not gotten justice, and we believe there'll be something great ahead. Yes.
Amar?
For us, I think we choose the color black because it's significant to show our strength, our courage, how brave we are, and how we are facing these whole situations. And for the golden part, it signifies that hope is still intact and there is light at the end of the tunnel.
Wow. I like that everyone Kenya mesema ni ukweli kwa sababu pia black is my favorite color. As you can see, napenda dresses za black. And black definitely pia we are kind of mourning our dad, and that's why I always say #justice for Paul. Before we cut the cake, nataka mniambie wishes 3 alafu ndo tuimbe, and then we cut the cake and we eat. That's how we are going to celebrate my 23rd birthday. Yeah, in a simple way, because we are not that much happy, and plus we feel like kuna kapengo Kenya kako, but I know God, dad's spirit is watching over us, na everything that iko kwa giza itakuwa into openness. Everything will be okay. So tuanze happy sis anza. 3 wishes.
3 wishes. 1, it's like God to grace you and to bless you, and to open doors for you. The second thing is that we remain intact, the 3 of us, the 3 musketeers. And the third one is, and that's the key thing. I know it's also your wish we get that justice. I know at least even his soul kind of rest, because honestly, you know, it feels like a void, a big void.
Yeah.
And anyway, happy birthday.
Thank you. Shem.
Mine will be few.
Mhm.
I wish you happiness.
Mhm.
I wish you justice for our beloved father.
Mhm.
And I wish for eternal happiness for this family of ours.
Amen. Mhm. Sengo, tuambie aje.
Justice for this family.
Mhm.
God be with this family forever and never.
Amen.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Mom.
Happy birthday Shiko. Alafu tunaomba Mungu aweze kutuonekania tupate justice ya my husband na kwa watoto baba yao. Yes, ndio raha yetu irudi mahali ilikuwa.
Ni kweli.
And God protect
You this family.
Yeah. Kabisa.
Mom, high five. Good.
Hey, for me,
Now let's
by the way, let's cut the cake. Hapa, it's like a small gift. Na ukiona kuna heart
Yes.
na kuna kaufunguo.
Let's show them.
Yeah.
There is a
Hizo I know it's like a small kanini. Inakaa hivi. So mom, mimi nitawaambia hivyo. Venye dad, this is for you too.
Oh.
Wow.
As in it comes in pairs. Hii ni yenyu mkiwa wawili. As in there is love na kuna ufunguo. As in venye tu dad alikuwa ametufunza tukae kaa tunapendana. Just know that tuishingi tu hivyo na ndio maana hao ni watoto. Sasa venye alikuwa ametufunza tuishingi tukiwa hivyo, and no we cannot do without each other's back. So hii moja ni yako mama. Always remember this.
You can show them one.
Yeah, this one. Nakaa hivi. And one thing nitawaambia, I might not be so wealthy at maybe ni wape kenye mtu anaweza taka, hata wewe mom ndo nitakwambia, ama nikujengea vitu zingine currently sasa, ama hata you sister, but usiwahi feel kukosa kuwahi niambia kitu. I will always try and make out things to be okay. Hivyo ndo nitawaambia mudu dakane kirire, and I know God is going to bless us. Na hata hivyo ukikosa kitu shule usiwahi lala njaa. Unajua you always have your back. I'm not rich but hivyo ndo nitawaambia usiwahi lala njaa shule, dukane kile, always call me, unaniambia hata kama tukikosana aje ama tubishane aje, usiwahi write a text message for me. Ana mom ugako niyo hinyerekete muno na kuna kitu maybe unataka kufanya na maybe I have it all, my family always be the first one who or in my mind. Hivyo ndo naweza waambia tu. I will try as all niweze kutry to feel that an issue, although it's hard, but hivyo tu ndo naweza waambia na tuanze kukata cake. I love you so much mother. Go hug me. Yeah, I always text you like this.
Mom.
Pay
hearts.
Hearts. Ujue hata hizi fanya bila ufungue lazima. That's why uko unafungua. Always remember me of this small
like
thing.
the last one.
You have the key to the heart. Yeah. You have the. Unaona venye nawakatia supu? Yeah, always know mom, love wins. Na mom hivyo ndo nitakwambia. Na hivyo ndo I'm telling my sister. Love, pure love wins. All the darkness, all the nini. And I'm happy my sister ameninunulia haka. Haki I know sister unanga do.
Takuwa nazo,
but I'm happy venye umeninunulia hii. Inakaa supu. It's a very awesome trouser and I like it. I love blue pea and trousers. I'm humbled for this.
Yep.
So let's start the cake. To many happy birthday nikikata. Tukate aje sasa?
Mama msaidie mkate.
Kuja tukate.
Cut the cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Akini hard.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
How old
Are you now? 2.
Happy birthday, you
now. 2.
Happy birthday, dear Shiko.
Aww.
Happy birthday to you. Oh.
Sahani kengine.
Sasa nyingine. Au.
It's time to eat the cake.
Eating the cake.
Nilikuwa namwambia red
velvet. I don't know.
Everything is edible.
Yeah. Kwa ngapi? 1 2 3. Lakini hata mimi. Aya, nika nilikuwa najua.
Na shiba.
Ya fayo.
Tutaka taivoli tobe tulekeni musoka kutumia.
Wow.
Na mebuni peni kama si.
Hey. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Let me.
After.
Give it to mom.
Yeah.
Mimi mnanibeka nimekaa chini.
And it's sweet by the way. Ni tamu.
But they can't come.
Oh yeah. Takupea Simon. Kupea. Oh.
Okay. Simon. Sasa nanishika simu mama.
Mama
Nishikie nimpe.
Yeah.
Thank you for all those who wished me a happy good birthday, and also for those who sent me some present. I'm so happy. Na kama unataka kukula bado keki ni kubwa, our family is not that big. We still have some pieces for you. Yeah, nilete. And happy
birthday.
Umeniongezea ingine.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Nakula mpaka mayai and I'm so happy about it. Msafi Bakers ni alinitengenezea hii. This is their contact by the way. Naambianga mtu akikufanyia mambo mazuri ni promote them.
Yeah.
It's Msafi Bakers. You can call them at 0743 74 55 29 0743 74 55 29, and you can also go subscribe kwa channel yake. He does music pia. Mato Msafi, tell him like Shiko Paul sent you there. Ametutengenezea this amazing cake of ours and amefanya our day kwa successful. Bye. Love you. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Toodles.